Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. This one is the last video of the review number 1, and this time I will go over domain and range, which should be easy, but I know many of you actually struggle with this, so please use this time to understand the concept, okay? Now, this one is somewhat hybrid of this key attributes and domain and range. So actually, I will go over this one at the end of this video, but you should have done this one already, okay? So check about this one at the last video. So let's do this one. I'm gonna go over this too. Which of the following describes the domain and the range of the function below? So they gave us this and they gave us this one. And as you can see, they did not even give us the graph, so we actually have to put this one into decimals. And you should know that we actually did it like before. So as you can see, I actually graphed it here like a long time ago. So watch this. Now, since I put this one to decimals, I should be able to cross out these two right away. Only because, as I said, if you use decimals, most of the time, domain is going to be all real number with a 2 exception. And you're going to learn this in second semester. So let's talk about the range. Range is the bottom to top. As you can see, this graph, as you can see, it's keep going down and stops here. And keep going up. So what's the lowest point of this graph? It's not -5. It should be negative. It's not -4. It should be -5. And I'm gonna put less than or equal to because it's a closed, and it's keep going up to where? Positive infinity. It never stops. Now, apparently they wrote this one in interval notation, so I have to change it. -5 is a bracket because of this less than or equal to sign. Comma, for the infinity, as I said, you cannot close it, so it's gonna be parentheses. So out of these two, our solution is gonna be D. Very easy. So let's look at question number 15. Select 2 true statements of the function below. I hope I did not make mistake here. Oh, actually, by looking at this one, I think I don't really have to go over this one because, yeah, we're only looking for domain and range. So let's do this one. So I'm just trying to find domain and range, which one true. So what's the domain of this graph? Do you see it's keep going to the left and keep going to the right? So domain cannot be this. And this one cannot be the answer because even though they use negative infinity to positive infinity, do you see they use this bracket, which cannot be happening, so that cannot be true. So let's talk about the range. Range should be -2 is the lowest point, and the highest point is the positive infinity. And because we do not want to write infinity, I'm going to use only this, and I'm going to flip it because y should come first. So y is greater than or equal to -2. So that is going to be the range. So that's correct. All right, so it's one of these two. Again, it should be easy. Oh, I spotted a mistake. So good. I'm going to fix it by the time you have it. This one, when you actually change it to the interval notation, for the -2, you have to use bracket. And for the infinity, you actually have to use parentheses. So as you can see, this one is not true because infinity, you have to use parentheses. This one is not true because for the -2, you actually have to use brackets. So B is the only answer, but question says choose 2 true statements. So I made a mistake, but I'm pretty sure by the time you watch this video, I'm gonna fix it. Which one of these two is gonna be the answer? Well, I guess you have to figure it out by yourself. It's gonna be like this, all right? So C or D, I don't know. Look at the paper and figure it out. All right, that's about it in this video because I believe this one you guys can do it by yourself. All right, that's it, guys. Good luck on your DOL, and I love you guys. Bye.